What's up guys, David from Hot Dog Collects, and I just got back from a card show, picked up some singles, some slabs, and some sealed product, so let's get into it. So for singles I picked up Full Art Mega Septile EX, a Mega Septile EX, a Septile from eReader, and then a Japanese set of McDonald's promos with Trico, Grovyle, and Septile. Then I also picked up a Mega Rayquaza EX, a Rayquaza EX, and this promo Rayquaza EX. And also this Charizard V. So going into the show, I was just looking for Septiles because that's my favorite Pokemon, and these ones I didn't have yet. And I also wanted to pick up some Rayquazas because I think he's also really cool. And then this Charizard just caught my eye. For slabs, I picked up this Severilege illustration rare in a 9. I thought the card looked really cool, and it was $30, so it was a pretty good deal. Picked up this Crown Zenith Leafeon V-Star Trainer Gallery in a 10, and also this Flareon U Nagaba promo, which I thought was sick. And then for sealed product, I picked up Black Bolt bundle and then an Evolvey Skies blister. So going into the show, I definitely wanted to pick up some singles, some Septiles for the PC, and then also some Rayquazas. And then I wanted to pick up some slabs that I just thought were cool, that were interesting. And then for shows now, I'm going to start trying to pick up at least something sealed to rip on camera, just something fun, and hopefully we hit something good. Let's start with the Black Bolt booster bundle. Six packs. We have Dark Energy, Duosion, a Dwebble, an Axew, a Carablast, Lilligant, Reuniclus, Simipour, Dwebble Pokemon Reverse Holo, Clink Reverse Holo, and a Genesect EX. We have Water Energy, Axew, Cubchoo, Snivy, Pidove, Simisage, Crocodile, Reuniclus, Electric Reverse, Palpitoad IR, and a Beartic. This is sick. We have Fire Energy, Pidove, Whirlipede, Girder, Fungus, Prism Energy, Onfazant, Crocodile, Larvesta Pokeball Holo, Prism Energy Reverse Holo, and a Victini. We have a Fighting Energy, a Fracture, Whirlipede, Tynamo, Drillbur, Bisharp, Prism Energy, Electric, Duosion, Petal, and Extra Drill EX. We have a Holo Grass Energy, Larvesta, Sandile, Elgium, Minchino, Behem, Fennel, Throw, Amoonguss Pokeball Reverse, Onfazant Reverse, and a Cobalion. We have Grass Energy, Clink, Golett, Timpole, Fungus, Lilligant, Alomomola, Darmanitan, Luna Reverse, Krokorok Reverse, and Caracosta. And finally we have the Evolving Skies booster. We have Psychic Energy, Spirit Mask, Gordy, Braviary, Emolga, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Love Disc, Regieleki Reverse, and Thievul Normal Rare. Unfortunate. So from the Black Bolt bundle, we've got Genesect EX, Excadrill EX, and a Palpitoad illustration rare, which I think looks sick. I think after every show I vend at, if I make some profit, then I'll put together a video like this where I go to a card show and pick up some singles from my collection, as well as some slabs and some sealed product open, because I think it's fun and chill, and hopefully we can hit something good like this. So see you in the next one. Peace. I just had my first show. It went really well. The video's coming soon, but I had some perfect order ETBs left over, so decided to rip one and hopefully get something good. So I got the player guide, comes with the card list, on the inside we have 11 perfect order booster packs. We've got some deck sleeves with the Zygarde cell on them. We've got the Tyrant promo with some deck dividers. We've got some energy cards. We've got a Zygarde coin. And some dice. Let's open some packs. Out of this set, the card I like the most is probably the Clefairy illustration rare. I think it looks very nice, as well as the Meowth special illustration rare. But I also wouldn't mind the Zygarde illustration rare or Zygarde gold card. We've got Grass Energy, an Antique Sail Fossil, Dedenne, Ariados, Staryu, a Pokepad, Turtonator, Shaman, Skorupi, Tyrantrum Reverse Holo, and a Mega Zygarde EX on the first pack. Very nice. We've got Psychic Energy, Tyrunt, Servine, Clefairy, let me bring it closer, Ghastly, Barbaracle, Raticate, Rose's Encouragement, Turtonator Reverse Holo, Pokemon Catcher Reverse Holo, and Wondrous Patch full art. We've got Electric Energy, Fletchling, Fletchinder, Klefki, Binacle, Lumio Skillet, Barbaracle, Raticate, Spritzy Reverse Holo, Ghastly Reverse Holo, and Dugong Rare. We've got Steel Energy, Crushing Hammer, Salandit, Scatterbug, Snorlax, Vivillon, Luxio, Jacinth, Core Memory Reverse Holo, Shaman Reverse Holo, and Lapras EX. We've got Fire Energy, we've got Rowlet, Antique Jaw Fossil, Amora, Bunnelby, Rose's Encouragement, Vivillon, Luxio, Furfur Reverse Holo, Bunnelby Reverse Holo, and a Growing Grass Energy. We've got Water Energy, Esper, Probopass, Antique Sail Fossil, Dedenne, Meowstic, Drapion, Lumio City, Superior Reverse Holo, Clefairy Reverse Holo, and a Landorus Rare. We've got Fighting Energy, Hippopotas, Dartrix, Mawile, Rattata, Jacinth, Meowstic, Drapion, Telepathic Energy Reverse Holo, Talonflame Reverse Holo, and Mega Clefable EX Full Art. Got a Grass Energy, Ariados, Staryu, Fletchling, Fletchinder, Aromatisse, Talonflame, and Energy Swatter, Reverse Holo Dartrix, Talonflame and Illustration Rare, and Superior Rare. This card looks sick. Got Psychic Energy, Own Edge, Spinnerack, Nose Pass, Skorupi, Lumio City, Romatisse, Talonflame, Servine Reverse, Hole Digging Shovel Reverse, and Aurora's Rare. We've got Electric Energy, Clefkeet, Binacle, Rowlet, Antique Jaw Fossil, Volcanion, Aegislash, Tarragon, Reverse Tarragon, Reverse Binacle, and Tyrantrum Hollow. We've got Fighting Energy, Spinnerack, Fletchinder, Energy Search, Furfro, Turtonator, Shaman, Lumiose Galette, Energy Search, Nailstick, and a Rocky Energy. In the 11 packs, we got 5 hits. We have the Mega Zygarde EX, we have the Wondrous Patch Full Art, the Lapras EX, the Mega Clefable Full Art, and the Talonflame Illustration Rare. This is my first time opening Perfect Order, so I'm pretty happy with that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.